Hey friends, today I am playing with the asparagus, artichoke, and tomato size 8 transfers along with our 6.5 by 18.5 box frame. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started by first fuzzing up the transfer on our fuzzing towel, and then I'm going to use a mix of our pesto chalk paste and our brand new citrus splash chalk paste. Now I'm going to do an ombre effect for the asparagus. I'm going to pull some of the pesto down, and then I'm going to come in and I'm going to grab the citrus splash and I'm going to do it just about where they meet, and then I'm going to rub my finger over that little empty meeting area to give an ombre effect. Look how cute that looks. I love it. Now it's going to be time to go ahead and move on to the artichoke. But before we do that, we want to go ahead and dry the asparagus because it is going to be overlapping just a bit, the artichoke on top of the asparagus. So now we fuzzed up the artichoke transfer, and we're going to be using some of the sage chalk paste. I just added a little water with my fine mist sprayer, and I stirred it up to a nice yogurt-like consistency and used the small squeegee to pull that chalk paste all over the silkscreen area. Now we're going to peel it back. Look how cute it looks so far. I'm loving this. I have a great spot in my kitchen for it. So just going ahead, drying up the artichoke transfer that we just did. And now we're going to pull out the tomato. To do the tomato, we're going to be using a mix of Meadow and candy apple chalk paste. Now, I went ahead, pushed it down, make sure there was no bumps in the silkscreen area, stirring up that Meadow chalk paste. I'm going to use a small squeegee to go ahead and put it all over just the top part, which is the leaves. Once I am done with that, I'm going to leave some of that excess on the top, and so that way it stays a little wet. And then I'm going to take the candy apple chalk paste and I'm going to pull it all over the tomatoes and the word tomato. Make sure you stay tuned for the finished project pick. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to check out my online store for more. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.